ZANU-PF Secretary for Information and Publicity, Comrade Christopher Mchangwa, is described war veteran Blessed Geza as a daydreamer. Sanabina mashikobda nyugo panapa arikuonekwa sema direct attacks aiwa arikuonekwa arikukandwa kuna bombshell Geza not to subscribe or like on the bell kuti mina panapa muzimu anobulanyira chiti Mchangwa made the remarks during a ZANU-PF press conference in Harare on Tuesday. According to Mchangwa, President Mnangagwa is not going anywhere. In quotes, President Mnangagwa has taken steps to address the challenges faced by minorities in Zimbabwe, including the marginalization of war veterans, he stated. He continued on March 31, 2025. A person was seen in a military uniform attempting to present themselves as a savior, but this was nothing more than a face. Zimbabweans are not interested in such events. Mchangwa further highlighted ongoing developments in the country, saying, new lithium plants and towns are being established, creating opportunities for job growth and instilling hope in the youth. The diaspora also sees promise in President Mnangagwa's efforts. He is making significant contributions to the development of Zimbabwe. He also took a jab at Geza, asserting, people want confidence in a leader before they follow him. Then Geza expected people to follow him. Maybe it is those behind him who gave him courage. You cannot just wake up thinking you can change the government in Africa. Things and systems have changed. Concluding his remarks, Mchangwa said President Mnangagwa will continue to govern and rule Zimbabwe. Anarchy has been defeated and shamed. His Excellency President Emmerson Mnangagwa remains in power, and power is with him. Domashwa anotaurwa na Christopher Mchangwa achiataka Geza achimuudza kuti aiwa panguva ino zvasiyana muno muAfrica umwe umuki uchimwe wakuda kuchinja government. Mashoko atoona Mchangwa panguva ino vachionekwa kunzi these are the guys who are getting the highest share and these are the guys who are being involved in corrupt deals, and there are the elites who are taking the taxpayers' money. Panguva ino tiona kuti the economy is struggling and my citizens are suffering. Vanoramba vachisapota mutungamiri wenyika yeZimbabwe kuti aramba ari mupower, kuti ivo aiwa at the same time vagoramba vachigowa nawo these favors. Tiudze mafunguro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi pina kubasic chemedu kuti mafunguro enyu musamwa subscribe or like chetonda bell icon.